If your computer screen suddenly looks massive, text is cut off, and everything feels way too close, you likely just accidentally triggered a zoom shortcut. In this video, we are going to restore your computer screen to full size. If you are on a Windows computer, find the Ctrl key and the number 0 key. Now simply press Ctrl and 0 at the same time. Your screen should instantly snap back to its normal default size. If your desktop looks fine, but a specific application or browser window is stuck in a tiny box, the first thing to check is the top right corner of that window. You will see 3 little icons. Click on the middle one, which is the square maximize icon. That will instantly force the window to fill up your entire screen. But if your window is acting glitchy, or if it is already maximized, but still hiding your taskbar, there is a powerful keyboard shortcut you need to know. Pressing F11 key brings it back to normal. Pressing it once again expands it completely. If the first 2 steps didn't work, your Windows system settings are likely misconfigured. Go ahead and find an empty space on your desktop background. Right-click it, and from the menu that pops up, select Display Settings. This opens up your system display panel. Scroll until you see 2 crucial options: Scale and Display Resolution. Click on the Display Resolution drop-down menu first. Look for the option that has the word Recommended written in parentheses next to it. Select that one. Your screen might flash for a second, and a prompt will ask if you want to keep the changes. Click Keep Changes. Next, do the same thing for Scale. Click the drop-down and select the recommended percentage. It is usually 100% or 125% depending on your monitor. This ensures your text and icons are perfectly sized and crisp. And just like that, your screen is back to full size and looking exactly the way it's supposed to. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward Windows fixes.